Good. Hold it right there.
It's intense, but good.
Perfect. Now ease down slowly.
That gym, your ex works there as your instructor. You don't see a problem with that?
No, I don't, because I'm not thinking like you.
Like me? What the hell does that even mean?
No, you're thinking like someone insecure.
I already suggested like 4 other gyms. Better ones.
None of them is as good as his. He's the best trainer in the city.
Exactly why you shouldn't go.
Oh, please, this is professional. Strictly professional.
It doesn't look that way to me.
That's your issue, not mine. You don't trust my judgment.
I don't trust the situation. You should respect boundaries.
I'm not going to rearrange my life because you're uncomfortable.
I'm asking for one compromise.
And I'm saying no.
You go nowhere.
I'm going.
If you walk out that door, you're choosing this over us.
You're just being dramatic. Michael?
You made your choice.
You can't be serious right now? Nothing happened, I swear.
I don't care.
You're overreacting. This is insane.
You disobeyed me.
Disobeyed you? I'm not a child.
No, you're someone who couldn't make a simple compromise.
You're making this a huge issue.
Because it is a huge issue.
You're just jealous.
No, I'm done negotiating respect.
We've been through so much.
And you still chose to disrespect me.
But I told you, it was professional.
And I told you not to go.
So that's it? You're throwing everything away over a gym?
No, it is deeper than that.
Please, don't do this!
You lack emotional intelligence and you don't understand what respect looks like in a relationship.
That's not fair.
What's not fair is asking for one thing and being denied.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Too late.
Michael, please.
No, pack your stuff and leave the vicinity.
Michael, can we talk?
Make it quick.
She hasn't been eating. She's not herself.
Well, how's that my fault?
Come on, don't do that. You know she loves you.
Love without respect is useless.
She made a mistake.
She chose her path.
You're acting like she cheated.
That's besides the point right now.
Then what is?
I set a boundary. She crossed it.
You guys have history. Real solid history. She stood by you through everything.
And I stood by her.
So why throw that away?
Because standing by me doesn't mean she made me.
No one said that.
We supported each other. That's what relationships are.
Then support her now.
I already did that.
By kicking her out into the streets?
By refusing disrespect and setting boundaries.
You're being too harsh.
No, I'm being clear.
She didn't think it was that serious.
That's her problem, not mine.
People don't always see things the same way.
Then they should trust the person leading.
Leading? Michael, this isn't a dictatorship.
There can't be 2 drivers in one car.
So she just has to follow you?
She has to trust me.
And if she doesn't?
Then it's already over.
You're really not going to reconsider?
No, I am not.
She's breaking down, Michael.
Enough! I am not going to let you blackmail me.
You're going to regret this.
You can recommend her to your brother and have him renew her gym membership with her ex.
Is this how you see it now?
Okay, let's
Don't let anyone blackmail
Oh, I
you.
feel that.
If they can't respect boundaries or respect you,
Intense,
they
but
shouldn't
good.
be in your life.
Now ease down slowly.